So I made those 40 by 40 footprint carts in the back of me there to hold my planer joiner. However, 40 by 40 is actually a little too big in a 2-car garage. So I decided to make a little cabinet with a flip top where I can put the joiner on one side and flip it to the planer if I needed to. So here I'm just cutting out some stretchers. Now I'm using Craig screws, but I'm also going to glue them just because, the joiner is probably about 40 to 50 pounds, and then the planer is also about another 80 pounds, so it's going to have to be pretty strong. So I use some pretty thick stretchers here. Now here I actually forget to put the glue on, so I'm going to have to eventually unscrew this, but through some movie magic here, we're going to go and skip that portion. Now I need a base for this because I want to put it on some casters, some wheels, and so I need something strong. So instead of measuring, I like to actually just use the piece itself and kind of trace out the measurements I need. It saves me a lot of time and effort. Here I'm just scribing out some lines and running it through a table saw. Now I don't really have a way to attach them, but I figure I'm just gonna lift up the whole cabinet. And there's my lovely girlfriend paying me a visit. But I'm going to lift up one side with the Craig jig, lift up the other side with some measuring blocks just to get it level, and I'm just going to put some Craig screws on the sides. Then I'll just slide the base under and glue and screw. Now here I'm cutting some boards for the inside of the cabinet just to hold that arm that's going to be used as the tipping point. Just finding the centers and matching up the sides to the little arms. I'm also going to just go ahead and screw these with the 1-inch screws. I got a 3/4 ply on 3/4 ply, so should be strong enough for what we need. Of course, before I drill those holes to hold that steel pipe, I'm going to need to figure out how long the base is, and measuring the steel bar, it's about 25.25 millimeters, and so I'm going to go ahead and grab some 2x4s and mill them out to just that size. I'm going to joint them, planer them, get 2 square sides, then 3 square side, then I'm going to resaw them and then run them back through the planer one more time to get the correct height. Now that we have our milled 2x4s to the correct height to match the pipe, I'm gonna go ahead and just glue them, screw them. I end up using some CA glue just for a quick set. However, I'm gonna go ahead and overkill this and also screw every board at the end on opposite ends. So it's gonna be plenty strong, should hold a few 100 pounds without any issues. And now that I have the thickness of the top, I went ahead and found the center point, and now I'm just going to use a nice 4-point bit to make the holes. I actually had a little bit of trouble getting this out. I figured, and then I realized I can just spread the top apart and get it out that way. Now I ended up having to unscrew one of the boards. I'm just going to rescrew it, and now I have a flip top. To be continued tomorrow.